Hey guys, hey, what's up? How you doing, man? It's me, it's Michael Anthony, man. Oh man, it's feeling really good. I feel great, man. I feel great. I've been 2 weeks clean. You know, I just been hanging out with my mom and my dad, just enjoying life out here in Staten Island, just, you know, jogging down Victory Boulevard and, you know, what is that? What? Never mind. I've been doing great, guys. I've been doing great. Turning my life around, you know. You know what? I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. I can't go back there. I can't go back there, guys. Come on, Julio, don't. Julio, come on, man. Come on, Julio. Oh fuck! It's been 2 weeks, guys. Come on, I need it. I need it. I'm into my fucking guts hurt. I know your guts hurt too. I'm sorry, Hive. I'm sorry. I apologize to the Hive. Julio's sorry too. We're all sorry on our behalf. Oh, just give me that hot bag. Give me that hot bag of hot. I need it. I need it. Do the fucking drop. I'm gonna shoot up on Victory Boulevard butt naked. Let's go. Do the fucking drop. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so sweet when it hits my veins.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Wow, that was a lot. That was like 2 weeks worth of backed up. It's all over your fist.
Yeah.
Now you're looking at yourself in your MacBook like I'm disgusting.
I'm disgraceful.
I should have covered the camera. The NSA is watching, judging you like, ew, drink enough water. Why is it sticky like that? It's back.
You jerk off with both hands? Ew.
Like Donald Trump getting water? The raccoon hands? It's back, the most dangerous podcast in the world.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta do that thing that we show in India where niggas ride the dirt bikes around faster and faster on the walls. We're gonna do that here. Get shit amped up. It's episode 108.
Damn.
108.
And yeah, to 100 and late.
Oh,
yeah, that's right. Little spice. Yeah.
Make a scene. Make a scene.
Yes, man.
Yes, it's your boys. The Bodega Boys is back in the building.
Yes.
Sorry for the 2 week hiatus, but
you know what I'm saying?
Niggas is busy.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas are doing
busy.
Hollywood things, you know?
You know what I'm saying? Like, you didn't get mad when your parents sent you to DR or Jamaica for the summer.
No.
You didn't see them for 3 months because they had to create a life for you in America.
Yeah.
So get mad when we have to abandon you.
Yeah, that's right. Because we had to create
we had to go to create art and get kicked out the Wuthering Gardens at the Four Seasons for smoking marijuana.
Excuse me, that's marijuana.
That's pot.
Sorry, you can't smoke that here. I'm like, nigga, it's not smoking. You didn't specify what we could smoke.
You said smoke. Yo, it's your boys. Bodega Boys, live from Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street. Yo, it's your boys. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all who came out to the live shows and you experienced this in person. I saw some of y'all catching the spirits, running up and down the aisles.
You know what I'm saying?
Your auntie's wigs was all crooked.
You know what I mean? Titties was out.
Shit was lovely. It's your boy, D's Nice, a.k.a. D's Rice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle. Pocket State Phallic Cheerio. Chris Stafford Sling, Eli Libby, Butcher Billy Scully. So, but that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, 1994, New York, Mikhail Going Off, the Juve Boys, MC Logo P, pulling up for 40, which is shorty.
Swish.
Hey, don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
Dog, I don't know you at all. We're not friends.
I don't know you. Also, I'm on the side of the car that's probably safer if there's a rollover, because, you know what I'm saying, I looked at the JD Powers and Associates before I got in, you know what I'm saying, that's the first time. The original plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss. These are Rothstein, Jamaican Jew, tough. Jermaine Avocado, Tukes, Young Particle, Young Chacoonery without the coonery. A.K.A. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo-K.
Papi, tamang agora at the weekend.
Okay. You tell that Bill Simmons, I see him.
Hey, so always songing Papi for him.
Only Papi. Vice K. Bakuzaka, 3-4 Joes. Days is Ex Machina, Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cubs, the human Dr. Bond is labeled.
Salute. Tree time.
Daniel, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 P. My Peter Blurry.
I don't know what that is.
And I'm going to do that weird thing where you come to the end of the porn and it just has like mad options for other shit, but it doesn't auto start another one. So now your screen is just there.
Yeah.
Just like, damn.
You listen to the background music. Like, yeah, do I really want to watch behind the scenes? Do I want to watch her warm up her butthole with that butt plug?
Oh. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Up next, we got 2 hours of Del, the funky Homo sapien.
Whoa.
The Curry Goat, Deezer Spicer, Jamal Ashburn, the Bronxilian Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Marino you cannot contain, the human meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budkrutz, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human weather melting in your mouth, Mr. Backside Eggading, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich. More say it with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Magby, but I got that cucumber, the juices, and press what your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Donna Ganoush. No more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck, and the Fashion Nova Casanova. William 8 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine.
It's a double fucking Jose.
Oh, yeah, though. I still was upset. Mr. Sager Catch. Square one top left. Mrs. Marv.
No, I can't go on. Yo, that nigga has the stupidest voice in rap. Yo, he's won't flow, bro. Let's go, finish, go.
Holy cow, this is South Park. All I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and this be Sunny D. David, you're these expensive, these red bottles, these are bloody shoes. Hakeem Noah. I'm in the jungle with a blonde goatee now. Who's spending that Nick money?
Yeah.
Andrew Cool, Nanny. Yeah. You want to die of some gay sex? Yeah. AKA the Junior Energy God. Come sit down, Bobby.
Oh, I sit on it.
It's the shopping at Street Easy. Bad Breeds that come easy. Please believe me. I did not realize Street Easy only works in New York.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you go outside New York, it's like, nigga, what are you doing? Go back to New York.
Go back to New York.
Open that shit in LA. That was like, you wish. The black
walk
Asian
here.
He'll crack your back like automatic craftmatic Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, aka your problematic babe. Get her pregnant in the summer, she'll have a miserable, she won't be at La Marina thotting it up.
Yo, I feel like Cardi B has disproven that myth. This shit. She's just like, yo, I'm out here, yo. I'm out here doing shows, nigga. I'm wild for OD pregnant.
But she get in the bag. There's a difference between Cardi B performing at Coachella for money and just
and you go to La Marina and thotting it
mama deep throat and hookah or getting the fucking super soaker of Duce shot in her mouth at Duce Palooza. Fucking Ravi B taking a crystal clear photo of the shit. You offended, but you like, this is beautiful.
This is beautiful. She's wearing a maternity shirt.
She captures amazing light work.
Look at the splash. Wow. What's the shutter speed on that? Yo, it's your boy the Kid Murray, aka the Human Direct Vibe, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa, aka Skirt Loader. I hop the curb and hit your kid, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Aka I know fucking baby, I fucking man. Aka check the guts, a girl, nigga. I'm on it right there, right next to Prince. What? Yo, stop playing with me, my nigga.
Dead.
Oh my God. All right, I don't want to go in here anymore. AKA CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? I hit the fucking concentrates hard. AKA I go down the water slide of Kalahari standing up, which is clearly against the rules. But I'm trying to impress my kids. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Smack Biombo. AKA Dick in your baby Mutombo. You know, come on this pussy no more because this pussy belong to me. Now, that's it. Okay? AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth I fall asleep in the wheel and crash the Accord. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy Duro Dímelo. AKA Romeo Santos. So zany. Let me find out. We're gonna get the group together and black out. AKA Lighten Out Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass and got $5. You can't even cash out me $5, my nigga. If you send me an invite, then you get $5. You can just send me those $5. Fuck is wrong with you? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? But we still gonna get this championship. AKA Phil the Ice Tyson. I wanna explore your cosmos, ma. Especially your Milky Wave discharge. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy.
Nasty.
AKA Fry. Messi. MVP of Gelato. AKA Zetnil Bettingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. So I can forget what I did yesterday. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. AKA Ben Parson. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your cerebral cortex with a spoonful of mayonnaise. Now you can tweet like Kanye West. You're welcome. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. You know who it is. It's the Benzo God, the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage done away. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live in the parking lot at West White Castle on Fordham Road. The East Tremont Stevie B. I wanna be the one your DD is fucking. AKA pulling up for 40. It's your boy, Bormelos Anthony. For 3. Bang! AKA, listen to me, mate. You know, it's a lot of people talking rubbish about me, and you know, I'm just back to let you know it's been 2-week hiatus, but it's the plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont.
Love this song. Love it.
Leaving you niggas hanging for 2 weeks as we're popping. Yo, if you see me at Target, dog, rather than Tekashi 69's handkerchief collection, eating Nutella out the jar with my fingers, nigga, respect my motherfucking agency. Approach me like a first-time mammal, nickel. You know what I'm saying? I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off hand sanitizer and melted starburst. Nigga talk about skirt, skirt. Yeah. What does Mero mean when he says, Pah? A Santino me la pita, coño. ¿Qué fue? ¿Qué lo que? Llegó el gente de FIFA, coño. A mí me pagan 75,000 cañas para hacer esta vaina, loco. El Lebrón del micrófono. Llega la grasa, manega. Que estaba. Yo, espera. De esta van, yo soy el último capítulo. ¿Oíste? Tú ustedes mamagüevo. Dejen de estar privando de ya veneno. Que con este pena 30 yo te quemo, mamagüevo. Coño. Vamos a hacer esta vaina, coño. Episode 108, motherfucker. Let's get it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? For y'all niggas, I did a little slower, you know what I'm saying? Because I know you niggas in the suburb talk about, yo, you Dominican niggas speak Spanish man fast.
Yeah, I do.
I turn it back down to like 1.5 speed.
Jeez.
That's actually faster.
Damn, fucking young Bruno Mars with the facts. Goddamn.
In the building.
I'm back too, baby.
Young fat guy, you know what it is. Yo, a lot going on. I think a lot of shit to cover. But off the rip, when you're listening to this, we want you to know. Shout out to everyone that came out to all the live shows.
Yeah.
We killed them all. Live shows.
Sold out shows. Nigga, what?
Everyone put down smack, came off Victory Boulevard in Staten Island. Everyone in the Apollo put on their Dapper Dan shoes.
You know what I mean?
Everyone in the Bronx put on their best fucking Averex.
Everybody in the Brooklyn who used somebody else's credit card to get in. Woo! You know what I'm saying? Holla.
The amount of fraud at the Brooklyn show is ridiculous. Pure fraud. Pure fraud.
Stop the thief and stop the scamming.
But nah, you know what I'm saying? If you, shout out to everyone that went to the pop-up shop.
You know what I'm saying?
Cop some of that fresh
fire merch.
Bodega Boys gear.
If you
shout out to everyone who got the sneakers.
Yeah.
The retail on the sneakers is stupid. I seen a pair going for $3K.
Come on.
$3K, my niggas. Hopefully you didn't open the bag.
Don't fuck up that packaging, B.
Don't fuck up that package.
That's originals.
Woo. But then you're probably like, Jesus, Mero, when are you going to get a pop-up shot? When are you going to come to Tuscaloosa? We're never coming to Tuscaloosa.
But guess what, you piece of shit? As soon as you hear this, you can go online and get merch online on the internet. You welcome, finally. That's right. You know what I'm saying?
Merch.
Thank God.
Merch.
Thank the Bodega Boys, benevolent boys.
Selling out.
And Square Cash, you know what I'm saying?
Selling out. Buy new house money. Merch.
We get merchandise money.
Sell you anything. How many fucking brands do they have? That's right. If you go on Cotton Bureau, cottonbureau.com /stores or Bodega Boys or something like that. Yeah.
We'll get it figured out.
You'll figure it. You know what, Bodega Boys? You guys are smart. You guys will figure it out. The Bodega Hive is brilliant. Shout out to Shorty to flash the titties. Wasn't necessary, but she made a moment. Felt like a rock star.
Yo.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone that was like shaking when we met you at the meet and greets.
Yeah.
Shout out to everyone that slid us a little extra, you know.
Shout out to homie that came through with the Platinum Kush.
Hey. I was like,
Yo, that was the most strangely packaged weed I've ever received, B. The shit was in like a baby sandwich bag.
Yeah.
With a piece of loose leaf paper ripped off the corner of a notebook with the strain written on it in Sharpie.
I love it.
I love it. I love y'all.
Also, he was out in LA. Shout out to the homie Lena Wade. Had the Emmy for your consideration. Give us some fucking Emmy.
Give us fucking Emmy. Stop playing.
Listen,
even the nomination.
If we don't get nominated, anyone that gets nominated against us, we jump in them.
That's it.
See?
Especially Bill Maher.
Bill Maher. Catch these hands.
We want that smoke.
You want that smoke? You want to say the N-word? You could be like, 2 niggers jump me. All right? You already say it.
You know what I'm saying? Might as well keep it consistent, nigga. Fuck out of here.
That's our Emmy or nomination shit.
That's right.
Keep that same energy.
You know what I
mean?
Academy. Fuck, step your shit up.
Sup?
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you trying to play us off? Because it sounds like you're trying to play us.
Oh, where?
Who the sound man at?
Yo, who's next up? What's the next category? Because I'm about to. I'm presenting this shit. Fuck that.
Smack the who? Jane Judy Depp? I'll smack the
fuck
shit
out of here.
Jane Judy Depp.
Fucking dick.
Sam won't smack this old bitch.
Yo, we PM'd on this bitch off the stage. Get the fuck out of here.
They're like,
sir.
She's gonna be like, I'm Hive and the problematic light is on. I'm like, sorry, Dame.
Sorry, my bad, Dame.
Sorry, Dame. I loved you in the best. I was about to say Mongoloid Hotel.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's a different movie from 1950. It's Marigold Hotel.
Yo.
The best little. Mostly got it. Yeah, I know you knew. I knew young independent movie.
Yeah.
It's all niggas fucking if you're curious.
I hate that movie because when I was popped in the Popped report. Well, right before I was like dead broke, had no money whatsoever. DirecTV turned off my service. It was like, yo, the whole way this works is you give me money and we give you DirecTV.
Oh,
since y'all haven't done the first part, you're not getting the second part.
You're not holding up the second
part.
But
DirecTV lets you. The pay-per-view channel keeps running. That's the only channel that keeps running, and they will have a preview of that movie like every a time that the whole sequence was like 7 minutes, and like I had it memorized because it changed every 2 weeks. God. So I would just sit there, looking for jobs and just repeating what the DirecTV shit was saying.
Yo.
And I was like, oh, you can't bring that elevator, you can't bring that elephant in here.
Yo.
A hotel.
Oh,
what?
Oh, wow.
I'm getting my swag back.
Is that a Wes Anderson movie? I believe it is, right?
It's the best exotic, so I will be giving myself 20 lashes after this.
Wow.
Okay. But it's Wes Anderson, right?
John Madden.
John Madden.
How
did he have time to do that and the video games?
Ask Madden.
Hey, you, that joke, stop. They're bringing back Double Dare.
Are you serious?
They're bringing back Double Dare. I don't think it's going to be Mark Summers. I don't know who's going to...
Nah, I got to be Mark Summers.
We got to do our own Double Dare, and we just take like little white kids and make them run through the projects doing shit.
Yo.
There's a font to leave on the top floor. Elevator's not working.
Elevator's full. Yo, buttons got doodle on them. What are you going to do?
They're all running up the thing with the goggles and shit. It's like, uh-oh, 7th floor. You know what that means. The crowd's like, pitbull floor. The kids are pitbull running after them in the staircase and shit.
They get to floor 8. Oh, Crazy Ron. The guy that jerks off in the staircase is there.
Physical challenge. You got to burn your name into the roof with a lighter. Let's go. All right, this is worth 1,500 points. We're doing a new segment called Elevator Surfing.
Niggas gotta dig through a pile of Dutch guns to find the fucking flag. Yo, I think I got it.
They gotta dig through the fucking shit at the everyone puts in the incinerator in the basement. Where's the flag? I don't know. I found a baby.
I found a baby. Jesus.
The darkest radio host in downtown Tampa.
It's worth even more. It has the umbilical cord attached. Yeah.
Some freakin's like, yo, put that in Tupperware and put a little water in that. Baby, you got a stew.
Yo, is cord blood banking a scam? I want to know what's it for all if it's a scam.
No, it's a real thing. It's a good thing. It's
good.
Very,
stem cells? Okay.
It's important. It's good to keep that kind of
stem cell.
But I mean, that's like, it's very rich blood and stem cells and stuff. It's delicious.
Good.
It's a good brulee.
Good.
I like to put it as like
as a reduction on your lamb chops?
sauce on top of a steak. A béarnaise sauce.
Oh, exquisite.
You know, it's just delicious. It's just
sensational.
I mean, it has a good mouthfeel.
At
some point, because you got to think about, as long as humans have been in history, how did they know what to do with the placenta? How did they know the placenta was something that wasn't the baby?
That's true. Maybe they just let the nigga drag the placenta around for like a week until the shit disintegrated.
Maybe people was just over here with the placenta wrapped up in a blanket and left the baby like on a rock somewhere. Because remember,
I like this one better. It doesn't make any noise.
All humans are like trial and error. Like if you believe in like cavemen and shit, imagine like you trying to hunt and shit. Now you got a newborn like.
Like, damn, I'm just eat this nigga.
Yeah. And even back then, you know, like if people could figure out sex, how you know that's your baby? There was no Maury. There's no caveman Maury.
What? Imagine caveman Maury.
Ooka flathead, not mine.
Not my baby.
Not my baby.
No, my baby. Look, and then the lie detector test determined that was a lie.
No.
Should he start running and shit? It's a nigga with a rock on his shoulder with the little kid with the little bird is on the kid.
She's running on all fours. They just start throwing feces into the crowd and shit. Like, Hook. Me no, not my baby, but me raise like baby.
Me raise.
Me raise.
Niggas start talking like Congo and shit.
Goom pop raise. Goom pop raise. Like, oh, this is touching.
I'm like, damn, I thought Coco was dead, man.
This summer coming to theaters near you. Bastard gorilla baby. It's not his baby, but he'll raise it like that.
He'll raise it like it is. R.I.P. Harambe. Niggas just got the Harambe dedication at the end. Damn, niggas forgot about Harambe real
Niggas
quick.
never forgot about Harambe. I say a prayer to Harambe every night. Every night before I eat my food. I'll avenge you. I'm rob you, my nigga. Niggas say, niggas really niggas kill your cousin, you ain't gonna ride?
Yo.
I'm saying, like,
damn, they really clap Harambe, B. That's wild. In
them niggas
retrospect.
clapped the shit out of him inside of a zoo.
Fam, in front of mad niggas.
That's a double, like, Amnesty International should have got involved.
They should at least let him go out to like, yo, go run, and we'll clap you.
That's some shit that if North Korea did that to an American, we'd like bomb the shit out of them.
Oh, man.
They should do that at the zoo. They should have a zoo where randomly, like, cages just open.
That'd be lit.
Like, just like, it's 5:35. And it's like,
and
shit,
it's just like you spin a wheel and you to pick what animal comes out. Oh, today's the sea lions.
And
The sea lions come out.
and everyone's like, oh, shit.
Yo, why you smelling my girl's choach like that? It smells like salmon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We need they should have like that's how they could like get people out the zoo because you know people don't want to. You know how kids never want to leave the zoo.
They never want to leave.
At like 7, you just release a tiger.
In 5 minutes, we will be releasing the snow leopards and Siberian tigers. They are very hungry. They haven't been fed in 2 weeks.
These
they will
niggas full
eat
of
small
shit.
children.
These niggas not really.
Yo, them snow leopards, when you go see a snow leopard at the Bronx Zoo, that nigga be pacing back and forth. He's like, oh, I wish I could eat one of you little white motherfuckers. Ooh. Bring another school trip through here.
The snow leopards look like people about to see the judge. You're right in that little room before you hit the court. You just pace it back and forth like, better not violate me.
I swear to God, nigga, I'm taking that bailiff with me.
Yo, that snow leopard, the snow leopard at the Bronx Zoo is the only snow leopard I've ever seen that had a gem star in its mouth. Nigga was just like, yeah. He's like, yo. Let that keeper leave that gate open.
Yo, the polar bear got like a little ball and shit. Snow leopard got like 245s and
like,
shit, a brick of coke.
I'll eat all of PS 83. Damn me, nigga. Run up and down Rylander Avenue. I don't give a fuck. Eat all you little Italian kids. Nah. Tastes like marinara sauce.
Hey. I ate all the kids in Morris Park.
At the Morris Park in the Shark.
That's right. I'm for Reagan's, man.
You should see the Trump golf course over by
Churchill Beach?
Yes. They've added a whole new pavilion to it. They're adding all mad new shit to it.
Oh, where? Are we gonna go golf? I don't even know how to golf. I've never been
It looks like a
golfing in my
terrible
life.
golf cart. It looks like sort of rocky. And
Yeah,
there's a bridge right there.
Bro, when you pull up, it just doesn't look impressive at all.
It does not.
Like you see other golf courses, you're like, oh wow, you just see them in the distance, like
Van
rolling
Cortlandt is
hills.
nice.
Yeah,
Van
you know what I'm
Cortlandt is
saying?
nice, but
that Trump shit just looks like.
Also, golf is kind of washed.
Yeah,
it's kind of washed.
It's washed. It's like
When's
washed
the
rich
last time
niggas shit.
you never see on Sports Center a golf highlight that
In the
looked
top
like
10.
that looked like the LeBron shot.
No, yo,
You ever see some shit like that?
Yo. By the way, LeBron's a goat. It's going to go out there and say that. It's going to go out there and say that.
LeBron's the GOAT.
LeBron's not clutch. LeBron's not clutch.
LeBron's the GOAT because he hit the game-winning shot in Game 5. Or where was that game-winning shot in Game 1 until they lost?
But he hit that one. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
But now he has more game winners than who? Michael Jordan.
Does he have more rings than Michael Jordan?
I mean, Kobe has the same amount of
If
rings as Michael
you
Jordan.
get this J. Cole shit out of here, we're having a discussion about Nas and Biggie.
What about
and you just come in here and talk about what about J. Cole?
What about his?
What about J. Cole? Huh? Okay.
I know the Kobe stands is sick now because that was just like LeBron and Jordan, and Kobe has just been like completely like removed from the
But
situation.
Kobe just pops up every now and then to remind niggas.
He's like, yo, what's good?
What's up? I'm back.
Yo, I dropped 60 in my
I'm
last
back.
game.
Hey, guess what? Guess who's getting an Oscar just because? Fuck
Yeah.
it. I'm not going nowhere.
Yo, I speak Italian. What's up?
What's up? Look at me. I'm gonna bounce a golf. I'm gonna golf a soccer ball with my feet and then
Yo.
do like the commercial for Emirates Airlines.
What's good?
How you feel?
Just me and Messi chilling.
It's
What's up?
chill. It's cool. It's whatever. Y'all American. Y'all never see this.
Is Kobe's mad cultured, right? Like, you nigga speaks mad languages. He's traveled to Europe and all that shit.
Yeah, I guess.
Shout out to him.
I guess.
All right. LeBron's still the GOAT, though.
Okay. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Did it Dolo. You know what I'm saying? Tristan
Speaking
Thompson
of
over here
people,
tucking titties.
people who don't know things about sports, Mike Francesa is back. Yeah, how you feel?
It's good to be back. You know, I wasn't gonna come back, but then they told me I couldn't come back. So you know what? Suck my dick from the back.
Ooh.
Because I'm back.
Talk that Pope talk.
All right, Steve, give me another Diet Coke. Let's talk about basketball. Actually, let's not. You know why? Because it's full of Moulignans. Let's talk about baseball a little bit. Yankees are looking good. Bill Simmons, fuck you. Fuck the Red Sox. Fuck the entire Boston organization. Jacoby Ellsbury's made out of Kleenex tissue papers. And, you know, you can always suck my cack. I'm back. I'm talking reckless now. I'm off the chain. Yeah, it's like I met up with Tekashi 69. He told me he's a gangster, so I'm going to be a gangster on the air. I hope you guys are ready. All right? Steve, give me another fucking Diet Coke. These Moulignans are making me upset. Back after this.
Yo, he came back. He got fucking morning radio under pressure.
Yeah,
I have not seen white guys scared like that.
He's like Frank White, nigga.
Yo, he's like, he came back on some Marlo shit. Like, I'm a fucking corner.
So you're welcome.
He's like, everything from Stu Leonard to fucking Brookhaven. I don't know.
Yeah, bro.
That's
He's
him.
about to give Boomer Science in the hands, bro.
Like, wow, Francesa's back.
Yo, he's not playing games. Stop playing games with you niggas, bro.
He need to have us on, or we're gonna have him on. That'd be a nice connect. If we like got good with like Francesa,
oh man,
he's just like for our black people report. Let's call Mises and Darrow.
All we gotta do is say that you're Didi Gregorius and I'm like Starlin Castro or some shit, and we're super straight. If I'm Gary Sanchez and you're fucking Didi Gregorius, we're good.
He won't know.
We're in there.
Oh, shout out to Didi. Didi out here raking.
Shout out to Ed Gotti with the walk-off homer.
Didi would definitely be the greatest shortstop ever in the history of the Yankees, except for the fact that he has not scored like what people like Derek Jeter has.
Hey, nah, Didi Gregorius ain't getting pussy like that. I can see Didi Gregorius like at the strip club, like speaking like broken like Dutch English, like und would you like to give me a double as Toppington? I don't even know if that's Dutch. I play for the Yankees.
If he came up to you, it was like he came. You get the if you don't get your Dominican ass out of here, boy. Playing for the Yankees is something like being a baseball player. You could lie about that.
Yeah, for sure.
Lie about that.
I completely lied to a dude about playing for the Yankees. When we was at MTV, I was walking down the street, and there was a dude outside, and I asked the guy for a light, and the guy was like, "Hey, you look familiar. Do you play a sport?" And I was like, "Yeah, I play for the Yankees." And I completely had this dude going for like 15 minutes while I smoked the whole ass blunt. He was just
oh man. Oh man.
I was like, "Yeah, they're about to call me up." I'm in AAA raking right now. I'm hitting like 475. My slugging percentage is 8 million. He was like, "Yo, wow, I'm so proud of you."
If you just talk to talk, people believe it, man. People will believe you.
Yo, if you're over 6 feet tall and you're Dominican, you can just lie to anybody and say you're a baseball player. That's it.
It's wild when I try to tell. I've stopped telling when people ask me what I do. I just make up shit.
Yeah,
because trying to explain this is just too wild to people.
Yo.
People are just like, "So, how'd you get into that? How long you been doing it?" Oh, you know what kind of show you should have? Everyone pitches shows. Everybody pitches shows.
Everybody got a show. Pitch.
Remember the guy that pitched us Bronx? It was like Jersey Shore, but for the Bronx. He was like, people want to see that.
How?
People want to see that.
Where? Where outside of the Bronx do niggas want to see Bronx Shore? And what shore are you going to put that on?
Wants to see the shore of Grand Concourse?
Like fucking Southern Boulevard Shore, nigga? Like, what the fuck are you talking? Fucking 187 Shore? Yo, come on, B.
I had to go to a baby shower, Twins Park East, but they had closed the 2 and the 5 train for weekend construction, so I had to take a shuttle bus.
Damn, that's crazy.
Then it just cut to the girl on the bus like hate this shit.
It's just like 10 minutes of her complaining to herself like,
just hate this shit. I hate being on this fucking bus. This shit is whack.
Oh my god, this bitch got on the bus with a stroller. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that nigga in a wheelchair?
Oh my god. Yo, we about to be here forever.
Leave him.
Yo, fuck him, yo.
Shout out to New York.
That nigga got wheels already.
New York, no one is as cold-blooded as New Yorkers when it comes to people with disabilities.
Because you know what it is? We're jaded, bro, because keep it funky. 75% of the time, the person in that wheelchair, they don't need that wheelchair. They're just a crackhead that's just like shuffling
That's not your
themselves
call to
along.
make.
Shuffling
That's
themselves
not your call to
along.
make. You know what it was? Remember, it was the old buses used to take OD long
Yeah,
to
the
put the
kneeling
person.
bus. Yeah, that's.
And then it'd be like, like I gotta do it a couple of times. The new one don't play. It'd be like, scoop niggas up and shit.
She just launches the nigga onto the top of the bus.
I was like, that was mad fast. You used to, like, when you were at school, you see, like, 2 people in wheelchairs, you was like, fuck this, I'm getting off and
Oh,
walking.
fuck this shit, nigga. I'm just walking.
Or if the driver don't really care and they literally buckle them in and shit.
Bus driver be sick, like, fucking
This.
nigga. Nigga, fix your legs, nigga. Saying all type of fucked up shit
Fuck
like
them shit, yeah. And then you had the drivers that care and be like, yo, what stop are you getting off?
Yeah.
And you got the other ones like, oh, maybe ring the bell or some shit. You can't reach the bell.
Nigga, reach the fucking bell. Remember when the shit was like a string that you had to pull? Like, yo, God, yeah, that was like torture for a nigga in a wheelchair.
Nigga said when it was a string.
Yo, come on.
My God, that was so long ago.
Yo,
I remember that because remember they had to turn it off. You'd see it, you'd be like, ding, 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 ding. I'm like, this shit attached to a bell?
That's how you know my parents didn't give a fuck. Niggas had me on the bus when I was like 7 years old. Like, yo, go to your aunt's house, nigga.
Yo, back in the day,
Get off when you see Twin Donut.
New Yorkers used to have their kid. You be like 6.
6 on the train.
On the train at midnight in Times Square, alone, dolo, doing graffiti. I'm like, what happened? Like now you got like kids gotta have like bike helmets and shit.
Yo, chaperones to go to this corner. Like, nah, B, that's wild.
9 years old. I'm like, got my arm tied off and shit,
You know what I'm
nodding out
saying?
and
Like,
shit.
yo.
Yeah.
I'm over here doing bank heists, nigga, after 2nd grade.
Catch me at Albee Square Mall.
Yo, Abbey Square Mall.
It's me, Miro, and
Bismarcky.
Bismarcky.
Oh. Yo, Bismarcky talks mad weird. Shout out to him, he's a legend, but he has a weird voice.
Yeah,
I just gotta say
he's
that.
famous for that.
You know what I'm saying?
He got hits though.
He got hits,
He got
bro.
hit.
He got hits. Yo, I don't think there's anybody in the world that you could be like, hey, you say he's just a friend, and they won't finish the shit.
It's true.
It's true. Even the younger generation.
He had other things. He had Vapors. He had
Oh yeah.
Make the music with your mouth.
Make
Biz.
the, yeah. Abbey Square Mall, which is a deep cut.
I actually had a best of Bismarcky vinyl.
Damn.
Yeah. Hip hop, real hip hop.
Yo, I'm doing a windmill right now. You can't see me, but I am.
That's right. I love hip. I die for this hip hop shit.
Yeah, that's right, yo.
I'm gonna get that tattooed on my chest. I'll die for this hip hop shit.
Word up. They get Fat Beast tattooed across the belly.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a nigga doing like a spin on his head. Like, yeah.
I'm gonna get Crazy Legs whole face tattooed on my back.
I need to get like some weird I love hip hop shit. So when you look at me, you know I love hip hop weirdo. Like just get like the needle for a turntable on a chain. Yeah.
Like, yo, what's good?
Actually, no, I'm gonna get a full functioning 1200 turntable.
Oh.
As a chain.
Wiki.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
No, I'm gonna get a SL1 Serato box. Dipped in gold. That's gonna be my chain.
This shit is fully functional shit. You over here like
Every time I press it, you see the tone like like yeah, you hear that control signal? What that shit is?
Get ready, nigga.
Oh shit, automatic doubles.
Oh shit.
Yeah, which I know about the shortcuts. Huh? Serato's funny because now you could be a veteran in the game and have only used Serato your whole life, but people who DJ on real shit is like,
Nah.
nope.
Shout out to Ted Smooth, who was like one of those guys. It's like, he's like, yo, nigga, if you never put vinyl on the fucking thing, you're not a real DJ. Niggas screaming at the crowd and shit. They're like, yo.
They're like, we just came for the comedy show. It's like, who's here to see Bodega Boys? I tell you, who the fuck is here to see Bodega Boys? Get the fuck up,
the chair, nigga.
Yo, why you sitting down right there? I'm like, I'm in the back like, is he on our side? He was like, yo, I want to see y'all swag surf. And everyone was like,
yo, shout out to him for having a room. With like at least 80, I saw at least 80 people, 80 white people swag surfing.
Yo, that place was lit. Low key, I was like, maybe I should just skip the show, just sit in the audience.
Yo, fuck it. Let's just light this shit up.
One of our shows, it's not gonna be me and Miro. It's gonna be cool people who don't even look like us. One is light skinned, one is black, and we're gonna see how long it takes you guys to notice. We're gonna write the jokes for them, but they're just not gonna deliver them right.
Nah, they're gonna be like, yo,
they'll be like, yo,
suck my dick from the back.
Hey, don't conversate with me while we're ride sharing. I'm not familiar.
We don't know if we're in the lift together. Tess was like, get the fuck up, nigga. Swag surf now, motherfucker.
Hey, I'm the human Dr. Bonner's label. Repeat 3 times.
Dilute
Repeat
3x.
Oh, is that a Muslim thing like Malcolm?
I don't understand.
Oh,
Niggas just looking over at Hassan like, yo, what do I do?
is
Niggas
that?
like, yo, I can't help you, my nigga. You know or you don't.
oh.
Yeah, shit. Yeah, man. We still got shows to go, bro.
Still got shows to go.
We got
Still got shows to go.
4th and 5th at the Wilbur, you know what I'm saying? Boston, pull up.
4th and 5th at the Wilbur. Then we got at the Messianic Temple Theater.
Yo, Masonic. I feel like niggas are hesitant to buy tickets to that shit because of the name.
Well,
Why
if
can't
you-
they just call it like the Detroit Center, nigga?
They have Messianic shit there. No, if you're from Detroit, that's like a normal place.
Is it open?
Then we got the Chicago Theater. That shit. Remember, we were across the street with
G Herbo. Yeah, and Jeremiah pulled up in the fucking weird BMW.
And we looked. Somebody was, Bodega Hop member was like, when y'all gonna do a show there? It was like,
soon.
patience.
Soon.
Can't wait for that. Can't wait. I want my Chicago people to come out. We might even have Katie got bands
You know
before.
what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
She needs a hitter.
You know what I mean?
Might do a filling on the bean. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. How much
saying?
trouble would I get in if I did some graffiti on the bean?
Oh, you going to jail.
Go to jail?
Yeah, you going to
Fuck
jail.
it, B. Put
You
my
going to
bail
jail.
up. I don't give a fuck.
They have
Gotta get this shit on video.
the graffiti on the bean. Like they have.
Bodega boys on the bean. Like,
If you
fuck
think
y'all.
NYPD's corrupt,
Oh, no, I watch enough episodes of Chicago PD
Chicago
to know.
PD?
Yeah.
those shows are great because you watch them and they just be like violating people and breaking all types of human
All
rights
types
rules.
of shit.
And it's just like, oh, it helps with plot development.
Hey, fuck it.
They calm it down a little. Every now and then they'll slam somebody, but they don't just be straight up beating the shit
Ever
out of them.
since the Stabler nigga left, and it's just been Olivia. She's been more like, yo, like more progressive. Like, and she's like, hey, I don't want to violate your human rights, so please come with me. Before it used to be like, get on the floor, you piece of shit, you
Garbage.
you fucking nigger. I'm like, oh shit, whoa,
Stabler, relax.
whoa, Stabler, chill, dog.
It's like, no, I'm playing good cop, bad cop.
Now
with these
the
niggers.
Chicago PD shit is like on the same tip, except the Stabler guy's that guy I can't forget. He's in mad shit. He's like a white dude actor, but he talks like this. He has a fucking I'm Detective John Voight, and I don't give a fuck. I've done some bad things in my life, but I'm here to turn the city around. It's always that one guy. I've done some bad things in my life.
Oh yeah,
That's the premise for every Dick Wolf
every
show.
cop. Every cop has like the dark.
I have a
either
dark
their
side.
family died or some shit.
My son was killed in '89. I've been avenging his death ever since.
I have my son. I have my one son, Jamie, the love of my life.
Yeah, he was taken away from me.
1985. 1985. He was watching Hot Tracks. He saw a Schoolie D video. He tried to do a head spin. Broke his neck.
Broke his neck.
Broke his freaking neck in my living room. I said, never again.
My wife left me. I've never been the same.
We never talked. We never talked.
She told me I put him on a hip hop. I told her, go fuck yourself. You're the one in the house with him.
Every morning I wake up, I just wish the smell of her Jerry curl was still in the air. So you're going to tell me how to be a cop? You don't know pain.
You don't know pain! Nigga just slams the table and shit with his fist like.
Every time I see Crazy Legs, I think of my Jamie.
The Ice-T comes in like, hey, man, what's going on in here, cuz? Except it's Ray J because niggas couldn't afford Ice-T.
Yo,
He's like,
there's a parallel universe where Ray J is a well-respected actor on Law and Order.
he's like, hey, nigga. I learned this shit in narcotics, cuz. Niggas put Raid and cocaine in their butt. They call it roach scatter. You know what I'm saying? All the teens are doing it. It's crazy. By the way, I fucked Kim first.
Officer Ray J.
What's up, nigga?
Wait a minute.
Hey, cuz. Oh, shit. Little Kim, I knew you when you had your third face.
Oh, watch out now. It's a 2-1, and I'm not Bow Wow. You see, Bow Wow's been threatening to kill himself?
He said some shit like that on the Breakfast Club. I was like, bro.
But then his album is like, see. It's the boy who cried wolf.
Yeah. But damn, let's not talk too much. Imagine Lil Bow Wow marks himself, and then it's like the podcast drops like 20 hours before he does it. He's like, yo, I heard Bodega Boys. Like, I decided to end it all. Nigga jumps out his second floor, woke up.
It's a heat check. Just seeing how strong the brand is.
Nigga jumps out his condo.
Nigga, you know how fucked up it is?
Nigga jumps out his
be like,
townhome.
damn, Bow Wow died. But, oh, wow, the Bodega Boys called it?
Yo,
Yo, Diamonds, yo.
y'all
Y'all
called
niggas be
it.
predicting all types of shit. Niggas do a fucking BuzzFeed list of shit we predicted. He's like number 10. Nigga ain't even the top half.
Yo, fam, this nigga really went on the radio. Was like, I've done everything I want to do in life. He's like, there's nothing else left to do. I was like, yo, stop. That's not how it works, bruh.
That's not how it works. Let me tell you, life. You want some? This is. You usually have dark Jesus. This is deep Jesus.
Deep, get deep on him.
This is.
You know what I'm saying? Hit the bottom of the mental pussy.
Oh shit. Life is like the menu at Cheesecake Factory. You can never do it all.
You can't.
You can't.
Yo, you really can't.
You can't.
It don't matter how much weed and Zans you on.
Put that, all right? Then put that on my list of Jesusism. You can't be mailing niggas. You just can't be mailing. What was it?
You can't just be.
Peanuts, yeah, you can't just be mailing niggas peanuts. Yeah. And life is like the Cheesecake Factory menu.
You can't do it all.
Right? It's a lot of fonts. There's some advertisements in it. And you're going to get lost. And you're like, why are you advertising for the mall that I'm already at? Like,
why?
I don't need to know that. Also, now are you advertising for yourself? Are you advertising for the Cheesecake Factory and the menu for the Cheesecake Factory? Because, nigga, I'm already in Cheesecake Factory.
Bro, why is the menu 80 pages long? Like, they give you the menu. I'm like, yo, is this the GD test prep?
They give you the menu, and they give you like a bookmark in case you lose your place. You gotta have a fucking reading club. You gotta take out the little half glasses.
You
and
got
shit.
the little card to like follow the lines and shit. Like, I'm on line 38.
Like, oh.
Like you're reading the Bible and shit. Like,
You ask other people, they say, what page you on? Like,
oh, you didn't get to that part yet? Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it.
I'm sorry. The character development with the characters is
my
amazing.
God. Oh my God. Yo, the pesto plot line? Oh, incredible.
There's a plot twist with the desserts. You will not see it coming.
It's not all cheesecake?
I went to the Cheesecake Factory in Ridge Hill. Shout out to Ridge Hill.
Shout out to Ridge Hill. Shout out to Yard House.
You ever want to see Jesus? That's usually where you're going to see me at. Yeah, I went there on a Saturday, and they were just like, it's a 2-hour wait. And I was like, this is a Cheesecake Factory, nigga. Ain't nobody that goddamn mind waiting 2 hours for a table at Cheesecake Factory. This is not Noble. We're on Miami's South Beach or something.
You know, I like to go there.
After everyone looked at me and was like, why is this kind of semi-famous person having a meltdown while the rest of us are just waiting 2 hours? I was like, oh.
Take your bus and go, nigga.
They were like, get out
Go
of
to the
here.
Haagen-Dazs kiosk.
They was like, oh, 2 hours too much to wait? Go into the city then.
Fine.
These are Ridge Hill rules.
Go over there by the little playground with all the metal shit that's mad dangerous.
Yeah.
It gets mad hot.
Go in the fountains that you're not sure if your kids are supposed to go in there, but you see other kids in there. So you're like, fuck it. Like, guess they're allowed.
Bruh, there's enough change in that fucking thing to give you mercury poisoning.
Oh, yeah.
Like, and I don't know the science behind that, but it definitely will poison you if you put your face in it.
Why do people throw money in fountains?
I don't know. It's a superstitious thing and it's mad dumb. Especially when I see like quarters in the fountain. I'm like, nigga.
You could have done something with that.
You could have done something with
That's
that,
just
bro.
a flex. No. When you go to Walt Disney World, It's a Small World ride, because it's a fake, have you been?
Yeah.
The water.
Come on, I got 4 kids.
Okay, I'm just saying, you got 4 kids. You might need to be lying to them, be like, yo, there's no Disney World.
There is none.
That shit's too expensive.
Yo, tell me about it. That's why I made my mother-in-law pay for
You
that
just
shit.
gotta take one kid and have them describe it to the other 3. Be like, yo, my nigga, they got spinning teacups.
Yeah.
There was like a princess and shit. They got a big ass castle.
My parents took me and my sister there because my mom was pregnant with my brother, and I'm sure that it was like a savings thing. Like, yo, let's go now before this nigga's born, and we got to pay for all 3 of them.
Oh man! Shout out to my parents. We went for 4 days in a row.
Wow.
We went to the whole shit.
You stayed at the hotel and shit?
Nah, don't get crazy. But, we stayed in like a villa or some shit, and it had a dishwasher. And I remember more about the dishwasher than I do about Disney World.
Tell me about
the beer from New York. I was like, so wait, whoa.
So wait. So
they're like, you're gonna see Mickey, you're gonna see Cinderella. They got racing cars. I was like, so that thing washes dishes on its own
without my hands.
Like, I just put it in,
and I don't gotta do no.
It's doing it right now. What?
That's what that is? That's that noise?
I'm just sleeping by the dishwasher and shit, just like looking at it, and smiling like it's Christmas. Like,
bruh. Like I remember you saying like, yo, you say a lot of things like they're a flex when they're not a flex. Bro, that dishwasher sure felt like a flex to me, nigga. Because I put the dishes in there, I was just like, I didn't even rinse them off. I'm like, let me see what you got, my nigga.
The 2 biggest, if you want to impress me, a garbage disposal and a dishwasher.
Yo, garbage disposal. Yo!
I'm like, wait, you press this? What?
Fam, I just scoop all the leftovers into the sink, nigga. Just turn the shit on. I was like,
That's
yo, this is the future.
Crazy.
We in the future. We're in the future. That's it. Fuck Bluetooth, nigga. Fuck
that.
like, yo, AirDrop, nigga. No. Garbage disposal.
I feel like Orrin Hatch. So they have sliced bread now.
Oh, interesting.
You know, I had my horse slice my bread, but this is better. Oh man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, garbage disposal. I remember there was a time you couldn't have a garbage disposal in New York City.
Yeah.
They had to change that.
Yeah.
Back when the only area code was 212.
Yeah. Remember
And-
that?
Yeah. And you couldn't go in Central Park because, you know, the blacks.
The blacks, they would get you.
That was a very popular song in 1996. The blacks gonna get you. Blacks gonna get you. Blacks gonna get you. Gonna get you. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, if you look back at like the 80s, like shit was wild racist, but like just openly racist, and it looks more racist because like they used bigger fonts and the pictures were blurrier.
Oh yeah, and they all used the same, like, it was like a bold Times New
Yeah.
Roman font for everything.
Oh, that shit was like headless corpse found at Times Square. You're like,
Whoa.
the fuck?
Remember that? What was it? I don't know if it was the post of the Daily News. Headless body found in topless bar.
It was a post. Yeah.
Classic headline.
That's the headline for a trash paper.
You know what I'm saying?
For a
Trash rag, tabloid,
trash rag,
trash,
trash rag,
fake news.
fake throw it away. I would wipe my butt with the DNA post.
Fuck Andrew Pizer.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Get Phil Mushnick out of here.
Yo, as always, give a shout out to Square Cash. Square Cash, you know what I'm saying?
Send money to your people.
They got the app, you know what I mean? If you still fucking with Bitcoin, I don't know why, you can use it to purchase Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now trading at approximately one pair of uptowns. But you know what we say? Hold.
Yeah, next thing you know, you're like Wolf of Wall Street, nigga, get coked up, throwing money off the yacht. Get ready.
Get in there early now.
You know what I'm saying?
You saw it bubbled up. It's going to eventually bubble up again. Grab as much Bitcoin as you can now.
Ebb and flow. Just wait for it to get up to like fucking 50K. Damn, I hope that wasn't blood, bro.
If it was, fuck it. If I cough up blood, we're going to finish this fucking podcast. Okay? If Rick and Morty, you know what I'm saying? If Uncle Rick can do all those coughing up and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? We can make that happen.
Everybody got an uncle that cough for no reason.
Yeah.
Shout out to them.
Yo, shout out to Red Bull. The Red Bull Music Festival starts next week, May 3rd. Check out the shows at nyc.redbullmusicfestival.com. Is this an ad? No, we love Red Bull and we help like to support their good shit.
You know what I'm saying?
They're going to have talks with Harry Belafonte and Hype Williams. Hype Williams from what?
Oh, shit.
Belly. Wow.
Classic, hood classic.
And you know me, Mr. Mesh. You know, I'll be with Mesh Marina.
You know what I'm saying?
Go to La Marina. There's a reggaeton show with the one and only Ivy Queen.
Woo, La Caballota.
Hey, be there. It's about to be warm. It's about to be La Marina weather. Oh, it's about time for you to get shaky in your relationship. Answer those texts a little slower.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo, the service is bad out here.
Be a little more reckless with your likes on Instagram.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, you'd be like, yo, I don't want to like this girl's one picture because it's going to cause a problem. Now you just like 15 big butt model girls.
Fuck
like,
it.
what? Fuck it. I dare you to start a fight.
Her bio clearly says, I sell pussy. You like, I don't care.
Follow.
Like, follow.
Smash that follow button like, yeah, let's go. You're going to be at La Marina because you're going to look fresh. You want to wear your Jordans, but you forgot there's sand there. So now you're like, damn, what am I doing? So you're going to do that weird walk where you walk on the hills so you don't get the sand. And then finally you be like, fuck it, take them off.
Fuck it. And then you walk barefoot.
There's no cute sandals for guys.
No.
Because like you
Can
can't
we invent them?
You can't go to the club in like Nike slides because it looks like you're trying to get a wild dome at 3 o'clock.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
That's like that's the dick appointment outfit.
Then you got the Jazz Fest slides. I'm about to fuck up these ribs on the grill.
Yeah,
that's not a good look.
that's not a good look at
That's
all.
gonna age you by 20 years off the rip.
There's no popping open toe shoes for men.
There's
out there.
not. Also,
Do we got to create them?
It's hard for a woman to see a man's exposed toes in New York City and still take him seriously.
Seriously, yeah. Yo, listen, my niggas, get pedicures, bro. Trust me. Especially if you got fungal action in your toenails.
Fuck that. Wear your Timbs to La Marina, my nigga. Wear your Timbs to the
Wear the
beach.
high shits.
Wear your the high shit.
The 40 below, so you don't get no sand in your shit.
Wear your hooker Timbs. Fuck that. Saying almost beach weather. You know what that means? Bex, them yellow cookies. Ooh, Nutcracker season approaching. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Nutcracker, you wake up the next day, your girl mad at you. You like, what?
What?
She's like, you was chasing girls around, snapping their butts like a Tupac video. You was like, oh, wow.
Oh, my bad.
Was I singing I Get Around? She was like, yeah, you were doing the dance too.
You were.
I was going to step up.
Where'd you get a herringbone chain? I never seen that before.
Yeah, look, it's a video going viral. You're like, I don't want it if it's that easy. You just got some Facebook titties. I was like, it's a nutcracker. I was wilding.
Yo, you look in the background. I'm like swiping a Metro card through Shorty's butt crack.
Step up. Round and round.
Ready, go.
Just point to your girl. Underground, don't stop for hoes. I'm getting around. She's like, who you calling a hoe?
Queen Latifah come out of nowhere, smack you in the face.
UNITY. I'm like, where he got a saxophone on the beach?
Yeah, and why do you have Vinny from Naughty by Nature in your pocket?
Oh shit!
Out of all the niggas to grab her butt in that video, though, why did it have to be the littlest nigga? Like,
It'd be those ones. who really in this day and age was like, yo, Queen Latifah got the yeeks and I'm gonna grab him.
I'm gonna grab him.
Those are royal yeeks. You respect them.
Respect those yeeks.
Respect Dana Owens.
You know what I'm saying?
Khadijah don't need you.
Stop it. It's Flavor Unit.
Flavor Unit sounds like a Guy Fieri Avengers.
Marvel presents.
Wherever there's bland food,
You can trust the Flavor Unit.
they just showed me eating at like a white family's house. And I'm just like, I bite into the chicken. I'm like, oh no. I go to the bathroom. I'm like, I gotta go to the bathroom. When I open the window, I'm like, Flavor Unit, save me. I put like a salt shaker in the sky.
It's like Guy Fieri comes out. Hey guys, yo, with 2 tongs and shit, like mad
Welcome
squirty
to
bottles.
Flavor Country.
Yeah, nigga just saw squirting mad sauce all over everybody.
It's Guy Fieri. It's Queen Latifah. Somebody called Sriracha Girl. And give it up for adobo.
Adobo.
He's just like the Thing, but he's made of adobo.
He's like Sandman, except with adobo. Hold that. Hold that flavor. Sodium.
My sodium levels.
Fuck it.
We have to defeat the awful Zatarans.
It's a Zatarans.
He has like that fucking clarinet. It's like,
I always thought that was Zatarans racist? Like on the low? I don't know. I'd be questioning society much
Put
more
it this
nowadays.
way: the way it's not racist if you think about like facts and what people's actions, and if you judge them by how racism is in your heart.
Teach these devils.
If you feel something's racist, that's just racist. That's just how it works. Okay,
I respect that.
I was on the 6 train the other day. The 6 train pulled into the 14th Street station. The 4 train. Now, for y'all that don't know New York, the 6 train is the local. The 4 is an express.
Yeah.
The 6 train pulls in. The 4 train is sitting right there with the doors open. As the doors open on the 6, the doors closed on the 4.
It's like fuck you.
And you know why
that's
that happened?
the MTA. Like, yo, fuck you.
You know why that happened? Because I'm black. This is the kind of racism I have to deal with.
This is like, next.
It's like, next stop, not 125. This train skipping to Schaumburg.
Bruh, that shit used to get my fucking vex. Nigga, I was trying to take the 4 uptown, and that shit used to happen. That shit happens, but I don't understand. Well, all this I mean, the MTA is fucked. Everybody knows that.
You know what?
But why can't
let's
they...
give the MTA a little bit of props. It is 100 years old. It has been running 24/7.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
For 100 years.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
You know?
That's facts. I mean, and you know what it is? We're spoiled, B, because when you go out of town,
super spoiled.
Like, there's no other public transit system that functions the way the MTA functions, B. I'm sorry. Like, LA, y'all way behind. Chicago, y'all way behind.
The MTA is cool because the MTA is like a hoopty.
Yeah.
It's like it might not work, but most of the time it works.
Most of the time it works. It'll take you where you need to go. You might get there 2 hours late because you catch a flat, but fuck it.
I mean, you know, it happens. just like a broke down Toyota Accord in the back, no back seats.
You're like, fuck it, man. This shit's taking me where I gotta go, though.
I mean, it works.
I just can't go over 85 or my carburetor's gonna fall out.
Nigga doing 85 in first gear. Gonna turn the radio up mad loud so you don't hear the gears just grinding away like, Oh, West End down with the dead end girls. East End girls, you dead end boys. Like, go, your car. Other drivers are catching up to you and pointing at the bottom of your car. It's on fire.
You're like, you don't even hear shit.
Yo, your car.
Eastern boys and Western girls.
Yo, your car. Your car's on fire like in Grand Theft Auto. You should probably roll out.
I know, I love this song too. It's great, right? It's a classic. Pet Shop Boys.
Is that your axle back there?
This man Sparks coming at your shit like.
Does everyone else driving by your car has their phone out like,
yo, this thing is wildin'.
Yo.
With the mad laughing emojis on a Snapchat filter and shit.
You know you're in trouble when people drive by you with their phone and they zoom in? That's never a good sign. That is never. Some shit is wrong with your car, my nigga.
Yo.
You about to go viral for all the wrong reasons. You either dragging
man.
somebody or you drop something.
Fam, I seen a nigga today coming in on a Route AT, fucking in an Audi A, and I was like, damn, Audi A, this shit is hard, bro.
Yeah.
And then I looked at the front passenger wheel, and the nigga had a donut. I was like, bro, you doing like 95 in the rain on a donut?
If
like,
you never done 95 on a donut, ooh, you ain't lived.
Yo, you wild.
Because they're like, yo, this could go up to 65. I'm like, well, if you could do 65, you could do
why?
a little more
If you
than
flip
that.
a 6, it's a 9.
Exactly.
It's a Drake told me.
Okay. that line. Nah.
Yeah.
That was.
I flipped the 6 upside down. It's a 9 now.
Someone in
I
the
was
studio
like,
should have like, Drake? Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah,
That's not it. That's not it.
What do you mean by that? Are you trying to? What do you like? That's what niggas should. If you say a line in the booth and your man's is in the studio, they should be like, "Yo, what does that mean, my G?"
Yeah, but if Drake is responsible for you getting home that night,
You ain't say shit.
you can't call. You can't.
You be like, "Yo, that shit
That
was
shit-
fire, nigga." What?
Yo, how this nigga triple entendre? Don't even ask me how. Oh, yeah, you gotta,
Yo.
I forgot you're gonna be like Canadian. You're gonna be like, how did my man do it? Eh,
Hey,
eh.
yo, we get that Uber Black, right?
Mine's is sick, eh? Man's is skilled.
Yo.
Woo. Let's see, do we cover everything? Oh yeah, the Giants. We like the welcome.
Yeah, Saquon Barkley.
Queen Barkley.
You know what I'm saying? From
Okay.
Penn State.
Okay, I don't like the name. The name seems a little ethnic, but I mean that's the good ones. So
Well, you know, I mean, he's a good kid. He's a personal friend of mine. Rest in peace, Joe Paterno. We used to, hang out together and talk about, denying child abuse. But that's neither here nor there. Saquon Barkley is a solid pick for the Giants, I believe. I believe Eli has 20 more years in the tank. 'Cause,
yeah.
white quarterbacks are good. Black ones are not that great.
wow. You got to find someone who believes in you the way the Giants believe in Eli.
Yo.
Because goddamn, if I could find someone who believes in me like that, I'm getting married and never looking at another person ever.
Yo, fam, your man's really like Tom Brady convinced niggas that he could play until he's like 50 because of that whole TB12 shit. Like, what's Eli's TB12? Nigga, Dunkin' Donuts coffee? Like and a Camry?
Man.
Yo.
Oh man. Shout out to Eli. Yo, it's been episode 108.
108, motherfucker.
Which, as an easy reminder, if you are watching a kid and you put a thermometer in their mouth, 108 degrees is how the temperature they should be normally.
Normally, yeah,
Right?
yeah. You don't need to take any action.
All right? It's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. D Device, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Fat like Terrio, a.k.a. Chris That's Singing, Eli Libby, Butcher Goalie, Slubbin' That Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nines with Around.
That's right.
Mil Novas at the event they caught the Mikel going off. The Juve boss. MC Luka Gungo P. Putting up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you.
We're not acquaintances, bro.
The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss up. Woo! Woo! Hear that construction over there?
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang! Niggas beating that pussy up.
Yeah.
Teaser Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chaco, right out the corner. AK Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K. Low K.
Bobby, we're getting later. Lost me.
Hey, second place in the AL East. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel, Bill Simmons? Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jake Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
3 times. Don't forget.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I got my Pinot Blurry. DJ Boy, you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we have Calier 13.
Oh.
For my Latinos.
Oh,
Hey.
wow.
Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Almost.
Almost. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, LeBron, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain the human meme word the job, Young Aaron, the racer provocateur, Henry Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the human Walters, melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool.
That's right.
The juices are pressed, but your boy,
Never.
I am the art, damn it.
my God.
The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles.
No.
The Prince of Peckham. The
right,
Fashion Nova
mate.
Casanova. William 8 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent,
Whoa,
dollar.
whoa,
Forget the
whoa.
small change.
What you
baby.
on? What you on?
Damn, that came out like Kermit.
It's the Muppet Babies version?
Muppet Baby Trinidad.
Yo, walk on, boss.
It's me, Fonzie, and Vashti. We gotta save Mr. Hooper Store. The only anthem I salute is This Set. Mr. Sack, catch me at square one, top left. Trill Rizzuto.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Mr. Soft Pumps, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey, guys. Please don't close the fridge. It gets really dark in here. I'm scared. David, These expensive D's is rare by the D's is bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah walking through the jungle with a blonde goatee, spending that Knicks money.
Yeah, boy.
Andrew Cool, nanny. A.K.A. Junior Energy God. Come sit down to recharge.
Pussy pon it, mama.
Mr. Shopping down the street, these are bad beats like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asian addict could crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina, or a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, a.k.a. you're a problematic babe. Wow. Wow.
Hold that, bitch.
With your baby, like I'll kiss your baby and I'll give them honey before they should have it, like when they're like
That's
before
right.
2 years old.
And like peanut butter and shrimp and shit. Like, here,
before they develop an immune system.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. I'm a fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. A.k.a. check the guest us again, nigga. I'm right on it, right there, right next to Bill Cosby. Whoa, never mind. I ain't trying to go in there. Holy shit. Nah, that shit do not look like fun. There's bars everywhere. A.k.a. CC Dad Bathia, a.k.a. I teach my kids how to put candy balls up the sleeve and the store. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year and I'm a terrible influence. A.k.a. Bitch Smack Biombo, a.k.a. Dick in your baby Mutombo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. I have my name on it. A.k.a. Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the whip up. A.k.a. the Dominican Dada Attack Me Daddy Duro Dimelo. A.k.a. Romeo Santos, so zany, let me black out. A.k.a. Light Nail Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got five. I just want to take a moment to appreciate and shout out all the Bodega Hive members that brought us Mary Jane to the live shows. I appreciate you and love you. Thank you. A.k.a. Tom Brizzy, your girl got my balls deflated. A.k.a. Feel the ass Tyson. I'm trying to explore your cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get all up in that fucking Milky Way and that solar system. A.k.a. Frank El Messi, MVP of Gelato. I'm the biggest striker in the world. A.k.a. Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. A.k.a. Joe Hookah. The coal is hot, nigga, and I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. A.k.a. Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. I will replace your sternum cavity with one of the titties that was in Tristan Thompson's mouth. Now you are a tremendously overpaid tall guy. You're welcome. A.k.a. I open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, because I'm the dead man. A.k.a. Rico Sabroso, a.k.a. Baby Newport, a.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the car down. A.k.a. live in the parking lot of AutoZone on Fordham Road. It's your boy, the East Tremont Stevie B. I want to be the one your DD is fucking.
Yeah.
A.k.a. pull it from 40. It's your boy, Bormellos Anthony. At the buzzer, bang! Yeah, boy. Listen, man. Oftentimes, I do Target runs, and when I'm in there and I'm just like sampling, you know, sunflower seeds and candy and stuff like that, and doing things that I'm generally not supposed to do, approach me like a fucking Earthside mammal, nigga, mind your fucking business, because I may attack. I may react real erratically, like, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. I so fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper, man. He's high on fucking Lysol. They spraying straight up his nose, nigga. I'm not even trying anymore. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. from across the pond, mate. It's your boy. I've returned from my Euro tour to the US. You know what I'm saying? To let you know that it's the plantains sleeping over in the sky. Woo! One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, but chugging a bottle of Brugal. A.k.a. Hassan, tírame la pista, coño. ¿Qué lo que con qué lo que? Llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA. Oye, deja la demo y deja de estar buscando sonidos de este lado. Que lo único que tú vas a hallar es una pistola sobá. Así que dame banda, suéltame la manguera y el huevo, por favor. Tú eres un demagogazo. Con tremendo grajo. Rueda como una silla de ruedas, mamá huevo, que te tu abuela. Maldita rana. ¿Ok? You know what I'm saying? Episode 108, nigga, we out here. Episode, you know that.
Shout out to Bodega Hive. Shout out to the sponsors. You know, shout out to Red Bull.
Swear cash in the building.
You know what I'm saying? Sorry for the 2-week wait.
You know what I'm saying?
Bad news, guys. Studios closed down.
Oh, shit.
Next episode's not coming out for 6 weeks.
Psych!
Psych! How you felt? How you felt?
Tight.
And that 2 weeks, you feel that sickness in your gut?
Yeah.
You felt like Michael Anthony when Julio doesn't pick up. Yeah. Don't ever take the art for granted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just gonna get that methadone with some other whack podcasts.
Exactly. We out.
Holla.